Simple and easy make. Okay, then we use this one to try some other cute ring. Yeah, also the same similar technique, but just a little bit different. Yeah, a little bit different, but similar technique. Okay, first we cut it. I just cut it in 7 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time in my live streaming, here is a live that share with you about how to make the jewelry. So also we are going to fold it a loop. Yeah, we are fold a loop. We are making another one. Yeah, fold a loop like this. Okay, and another one, the same. I cut a little bit short. So it's also fold the loop. Okay, so we fold a loop on each side of this wire. 1 millimeter, 18 gauge, 5.5. And then we also bend it on this loop, so it can make to the different design. Okay, here we'll bend it. Maybe size 7. Okay, size 8. Here, just a size 8. Yeah, it's this way. Here, this way with a distance. Then it's like this. And we are going to use the flat plier that's to bend the piece of the loop be straight. Okay, then it come like this. So it come like this. Then we use the wire 0.4 to make a simple ring. Yeah. It's also making a simple ring. You will find that the technique is the same as the one we made, but just a little bit different. So the wire, here we go slow. Okay, here we go slow. And let's wrap it on the side as well. Yeah, wrap it also. Later we will going to show the chain that's in discount. Yeah, we have some chain clean from the box. It will be going to sell in discount. Okay, we wrap it like this way a little bit. And here we will going to use the wire to string some beads. Today no bangle, tomorrow have bangle. Yeah, the bangle not arrival is a little far away the factory. Yeah, tomorrow Miller. I will be show you first when I receive it today. Today I receive it, I show you first the picture. Okay, then let this wire go. Yeah, I was thinking, okay, I don't wrap it, I just string the beads directly. Here let's get some nice beads. Yeah, let's get some nice beads on this one. 3 millimeter. Here, I use this Amazon net. Let's see if I put 3 beads, is it enough? Okay, 3. Okay, we need 4 beads. This is so simple making this design. And go slow. Okay. It's wrap like this, and then we are going to wrap the wire on the band also. Hello, this one This one you can order from the web shop. Order from web shop. Then I will be going to pack. Yeah. Or you can wait for someday if you like. Yeah. Order from web shop. This color sometimes need to. Yeah, I have to select in the factory directly. Sometimes some production cannot be the color so nice. Yeah. Here. Cut. And the tight. So you see, it's another ring finish. Yeah. It's this way. Another ring finish.